In this video, I will show you how to schedule a callback in the agent interface. A callback is an outbound call requested by a customer. Agents can schedule a callback after the call is ended. At the scheduled date and time, DC Dial alerts the agents logged into the campaign to call the customer back. Let me show you how to do it in a few simple steps. I've sent myself a test call to simulate the call with a customer. Suppose the customer requested a callback because now it is not a convenient time for him to speak on the phone. End the call by clicking on the hang up button and then select a callback status on the disposition screen. Once you click on this status, the schedule a callback window will appear by default. Choose a callback date by clicking on the calendar icon. Specify the time the customer prefers to be called back. Please note that the time added here follows the customer's time zone. Depending on your permission, you can take ownership of the callback by checking on the My Callback Only box, so only you will get notified to call the customer back. When you are done, click Submit to save the callback. If you want to configure other call statuses to open a callback window, refer to the System Statuses page in the admin portal. You can find this page under Administration, Setup, System Statuses. Check the box next to the call status where you want to assign a callback feature. This time, let's try to make an outbound call and choose another status on the disposition screen. In this scenario, the customer hung up and we need to call them back on a later date. On the disposition screen, select Callback, choose a callback date, specify the time. Let's uncheck the My Callback Only box so that all agents logged into the campaign on the specified date and time will be alerted. You can also leave a comment in the notes box on why the call was rescheduled. You can view your scheduled callbacks at any time by clicking on the Calendar button under the Call Controls tab. Callbacks listed here are shown based on the agent's time zone. You can dial a customer directly from here by clicking on Call next to the customer's name or change the callback status by selecting a record and clicking on Mark as dialed. You are now ready to schedule callbacks using the agent interface. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us.